Hey everyone! Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Citroen C5 Aircross, and let me tell you, this French SUV is doing something really different in today's market. While everyone else seems obsessed with making their family haulers handle like sports cars, Citroen's gone in the complete opposite direction, and I absolutely love it. First impressions? This thing looks fantastic. Citroen's designers have given it this incredibly chic appearance that stands out in parking lots full of angular, aggressive SUVs. The front end is bold and upright with those distinctive split headlights, while the rest of the body flows with these beautiful soft curves. It's like seeing someone confidently rocking designer loungewear at a formal event. It shouldn't work, but somehow it totally does. Now let's talk powertrains, because Citroen's giving us some interesting choices here. The headline act is the plug-in hybrid, pumping out a healthy 224 horsepower and offering 41 miles of pure electric range. There's also a clever new 136 horsepower mild hybrid that's returning about 43 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Not bad at all. If you're more traditional, you can still get 130 horsepower petrol or diesel engines, with the diesel managing an impressive 60 mpg for those long highway runs. Step inside, and you're greeted by what might be the most comfortable seats in the segment. Seriously, these things are like your favorite armchair on wheels. The interior has this minimalist yet stylish vibe going on, though I have to mention the infotainment system isn't the most intuitive I've used. But hey, at least you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. But here's where things get really interesting: the practicality. The boot space is enormous, starting at 580 liters and expanding to a massive 720 liters when you slide those rear seats forward. Even the plug-in hybrid version keeps plenty of space, offering between 460 and 600 liters. That's better than pretty much everything else in the class. On the road, this thing is like floating on a cloud. The suspension setup is absolutely brilliant at soaking up bumps and rough roads. Around town, it's super easy to maneuver thanks to good visibility and standard parking sensors. Hit the highway, and it's whisper quiet with minimal wind or road noise. It's genuinely relaxing to drive, which is something we don't say often enough about modern cars. Safety tech is solid too. You get automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning as standard, while higher trims add smart features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. Spring for the top spec, and you'll even get a pretty decent semi-autonomous highway driving system. Price-wise, it starts at just under 30 grand for petrol models, while the plug-in hybrid pushes that up to around 40K. Yes, that's a big jump, but the potential fuel savings could make it worth it if you can charge regularly. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Citroen C5 Aircross gets a solid 9 out of 10 from me. It's refreshingly different in a market full of wannabe sports cars, offering supreme comfort, tons of space, and genuine character. Sure, it's not the sharpest handler, and that infotainment could be better, but these are small compromises for what is otherwise an excellent family SUV. Let me know in the comments what you think about the C5 Aircross. Would you choose comfort over sportiness in your family SUV? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.